naje gusanga rero abantu benshi buriya iyo bigeze ku kintu cy'amafaranga bihererana amakuru kugira ngo bayarye bonyine. Niyo mpamvu nahisemo ngiye kumenera ibanga. Ni ukuvuga ngo kuva iyi mikino ya ero yatangira urabona iracyanakomeje. Abantu bose bari kubetinga banyuze kuri kampani yitwa Winner, cyane kandi nayo iri gutanga ibikubo byiza buriya kurusha izindi kampani. Iyi kampani ya Winner abantu bose bari kubetinga bayinyuzeho bari kubasha guhabwa amahirwe yo kuba watsindira telefone za smartphone, televiziyo za smart, ndetse igihembo nyamukuru ni miliyoni cash bahita baguha ukigendera. Ikindi kandi mu mikino 3 turi gutanga jackpot y'uko utsindira ibihumbi 500 byawe buri munsi. Iyandikisha uyu munsi rero unyuze ku rubuga rwacu www.winner.rw ukoresha promo code y'izina ryanjye Rocky, urahita uhabwa bonus y'amafaranga 500 yo gutangira ubetinga bari yohero. Mbega yo tuyita mu nayikazi yo gukoresha iyo promo code. Ikindi wanasura ahantu hose Winner ikorera ukabasha kuba wakwikorera ipari tukirira ibice.
Bimeze bite? Iyi episode ya 5. Okay, iyi episode ya 5. Turi kugenda tuzimaramo. Dutangira kuri no. Geneva, Switzerland. I Geneve mu Busuwisi. Barakwereka imyaka 5 ishize badusubije inyuma gato, ndagenda mbihuza niyo mpamvu riga ndi hano. Niyo mpamvu wishyuye 7 kugira ngo mbihuze. Barakwereka imyaka 5 ishize I Geneve mu Busuwisi hari icyahabaye. Hari umugabo waje, polisi yari yahuruye.
On est presque fini ici.
Ndakeka tugiye kurangiza hano. Merci.
Hey. Je crois que Nathalie a un coup ce soir.
Narizi ko Nathalie umunsi ari bwitabweho. Nabyimuriye ejo.
Si vous avez besoin de quoi que ce soit, je suis là.
Nimugire icyo mukenera mumbwire. Rebe. Ibyabaye ejo. Barori bande.
Nathan et Brigitte Bischoff.
Uyu ni Nathan na Brigitte Bischoff.
Ils avaient 24 ans, mariés. Ils ont tous les deux des casiers judiciaires.
Bari bafite imyaka 24, bari barashyingiranywe ariko banacuruza ibiyobyabwenge. Rebe.
Ils étaient seuls.
Ouais, on a
Kuki bari bonyine twasatse ahantu hose. Reba hano ni umugabo arebye hano hari icyo yabonye. Ushinzwe umutekano abona hari agatebe gasa nk'akari hano kenda kumera nk'urwego. Nibiki rebe ibyabaye imyaka 5 ishize. Urareba iki uretse ukabaza hano yitonze bucece mu gace, nawe yurira kuri ka kantu kameze nk'akego gato. Aza hano Chengwe akabateri mu mwana muto. Ibintu byabaye imyaka 5 ishize. Hari mu mwana muto ufite igipupe. N'umwana muto. Bidatinze umupolisi yahise afata wa mwana muzana hano.
Bonjour, détective Muller.
Mwaramutse Detective Muller.
Et toi, c'est Martin.
Uyu niwe mwana bita Martin. Yego bite Martin.
Je vais te montrer.
Ngwino nkwereke muzengurutse.
Tu vois Martin, il y a plein de beaux endroits où tu vas pouvoir...
Wa mwana hano hari ahantu heza uzajya ukinira. Byiza ko buri hano.
Nous trouvons des familles vraiment dignes de confiance à travers...
Abana hirya no hino ku isi bakeneye imiryango bose tubazana hano.
Martin, tu vas aller avec lui.
Martin uyu no Olivia arakujyana mindani. Akana bahise bakazana muri urufiri. Numva ababyeyi nimba bacuruzaga ibiyobyabwenge bakaba bapfuye. Turabibonye niko dutangiye episode yacu. Ushinzwe umutekano agasanga ababyeyi bapfuye basize akana igikurikira nuko kajyana mu urufiri na nyine.
N'inquiétez pas, détective Muller.
Ntugire ikibazo Detective Muller.
Allons trouver une famille vraie.
Uriya mwana tuzamushakira urugo rushya, umuryango umwitaho. Izi no urufiri na nyine umuntu araza akadobuta umwana.
J'en suis sûr.
Ndabyizeye.
Ça va bien se passer.
Biraza kumera sawa.
Tu vas être bien ici.
Uraza kumera neza hano. Akana yagasize muri urufiri.
Ok.
Ni Detective Muller. I Geneve ibi ni ibyabaye imyaka 5 ishize. Kuki babitweretse. Kana bagasize muri urufiri. Bayi kana karamusezera. Katurore. Tugaruka uyu munsi wa none tuvuye imyaka 5 ishize. Tugaruka uyu munsi ni Federal Office of Police Geneva i Geneve. Wa mugabo Detective Muller aracyari mu kazi rwose ka polisi i Geneve mu Busuwisi. Ejo bundi rero buriya mperutse umugabo azimye itara.
Détective Muller.
Detective Muller.
Tant que Martin Bischoff a disparu de l'orphelinat.
Hashize igihe kingana iki wa mwana bita Martin Bischoff aburiwe irengero. Ni ka kana yajyanye muri uruferina imyaka 5 ishize ngo kaje kuburira irengero. Aramoje ngo ashize igihe kingana iki kara kana kaburi irengero.
À peu près 5 ans, pourquoi?
Imyaka 5.
Il faut que vous voyez
Kubera iki? Hari ikintu gira murebe.
par Interpol.
Aya n'amakuru avuye muri Interpol, polisi mpuzamahanga.
Un agent bureau du FBI.
Ishami rya Boston, ibiro bya FBI rikorera i Boston.
Matthew Burrows.
Hari umwana witwa Matthew Burrows, wa mwana wacu waburiwe irengero nawe wo muri Boston. Batangiye kumwibazaho.
La famille qui gérait l'orphelinat était également originaire de Boston.
Ya famiye nayo yakonturaga cyangwa se yaburaga nyiri ya orphelinat najyanyemo umwana nabo muri Boston. Baza kureba abona
Dans la même caractéristique physique que Martin.
aba bana neza barenda gusa kandi baburiye igihe kimwe. Wa mwana wacu Burrows ndetse na kakana bita ngo ni Marite, kakandi yajyanye muri orphelinat akaburirwa irengero. Abana ngo baburiye rimwe.
Et la chronologie colle aussi.
Neza igihe kirahura. Kandi iriya orphelinat yajyanyemo umwana, iriya orphelinat ngo ba nyirayo nabo batuye muri Boston. I will find you. Niko turi kureba bimeze bite. Hakuni nirebe umugabo yatangiye gutereka akagofero kagomba kwerekeza iwabo. Yambaye ingofero ndetse niyo kwekuyemo yambara iriho B Boston, akomoka muri Boston, nta kwambara umujyi w'abandi. Agaruka kuri no ageze anabona mu kinyamakuru banditse ngo Burrows yagarutse muri Boston. Byamenyekanye gute yagarutse muri Boston gura na papa we? Byamenyekanye gute? Arebye uwanditse iyi nkuru ni managing editor ari we Jim ni munyamakuru wa mukobwa wacu maze iminsi amagara bahana amakuru umufasha gushaka Hild. Narayibonye itamenya ko wa mukobwa ashobora kuba yatanze inkuru. Ntabwo nakwizera ko wabimuciye gutya.
This got out.
It wasn't my fault.
Umva ntabwo ari yafashe icyemezo cya kinyamakuru cyasohoye inkuru. Buri munyamakuru nibo bantu ba mbere batarabizerwa kuri iyi si, azi ko hari ibanga afite cyangwa se inkuru akanya kari gukosora arashyugumba ugashiduka yisohoye, kubera nyine niko nyine bameze barapfuye mu mutwe. Nibo bantu batarabo kwizerwa ku isi.
You're the editor.
And I
Weho editor w'iki gitangazamakuru.
Wait, Roman.
Ariko mfite abanyobora nanjye iriya nkuru bayisohoye.
She headlines better than none.
Splashy headline.
Iriya nkuru yari irenze rero.
About my nephew's
Turi
life.
kuvuga ku buzima bw'umwishywa wanjye. Warangiza ukajya yari yabimubwiye umugore n'injura ambwiye ngo tugiye kuza muri Boston kumwe na Burrows. Umunyamakuru abyuka byandika ngo wa mugabo ngo Burrows agiye kuza muri Boston, kandi icyo gihe polisi bibibona na leta ibibona ko wamwicanyi bari guhiga agarutse muri Boston.
This because I talked to you.
Nihagira ikiba ku mwishywa wanjye bitewe n'uko navuganye nawe yarakaye.
I never thought he would do that.
Ntabwo nari nzi ko yabivuga yatangaza ayo makuru. Wizeye umunyamakuru iyi ntabwo nari nzi ko iriya nkuru yayitangaza. Wizeye umunyamakuru bizamugora.
The thing we get going first is that no one knew we were here. Cops are probably sitting outside my father's right now.
Muri kano kanya abashinzwe umutekano bamaze kumenya ko nageze muri Boston, buno bari kumiga cyangwa se bari hanze y'inzu ya papa. Turabigenza gute?
Care to explain this?
Bino wabinsobanurira?
Does this look?
Bino musukuru bitugaragaza?
Do we know why he's here, or should I just wait for tomorrow?
Mwamenye impamvu uriya musore Burrows yagarutse. Sasa abapolisi birabasebya cyane kuba umunyamakuru yatangaza inkuru mbere y'uko bo bayimenya, bakamenya ngo umunyamakuru akamenya ngo umwicanyi ari muri uyu mujyi, polisi itazi uwo mwicanyi ngo ari hehe. Niyo mpamvu abaje ngo bino bintu mubona mu binyamakuru muzukuru bitugaragaza nka polisi kuba abanyamakuru bazana umwicanyi ari ngari mu mujyi uyu n'uyu, twe tutazi uwo mujyi kawurimo.
Burrows believes his son is still alive.
Burrows yizera ko umwana akiri muzima. Ibyo ngibyo bikora he?
I know how it sounds, but when we...
Uburyo byumvikana ariko
Well, she had a photograph.
ubwo twafungaga Rachel Mills twamusanganye ifoto. Ifoto iri akana neza gafite ikintu twakwita ngo ni birthmark cyangwa se ni ikibibi ku isura.
Burrows had.
Iyo umwana wa Burrows yari afite.
Live.
I'm not saying
Wizera ko umwana wa Burrows nawe akiri muzima.
Burrows believes.
Yandi gukubwira ibyo Burrows yizera.
We know that Bergen went to New York looking for him.
Ikindi tuzi ko hari umwicanyi witwa Bergen ni skunk yagiye muri New York agiye kumushaka.
He got the order directly.
Kandi amategeko yahabwa na Nick Fisher.
Nicky Fisher is involved in all of this somehow.
Kandi Nick Fisher bino bintu birimo.
Boston.
What else?
Bikaba ariyo mpamvu Nick Fisher akorera muri Boston, bikaba byanagaruriye musore Burrows muri Boston.
Definitely lawyered up.
So
Maybe.
useless.
No, maybe not.
What are you getting at?
Ufite
Roofing case, remember?
ikirego cy'amafura kibuka muri Austin. Yego
Yeah, it might work.
bishobora gukora.
I don't know what the hell you two are.
Ibyo muri kuvuga mwembi ntabwo mbizi.
Put Bergen up as bait.
You want to cut him loose? We've got him on murder. The ballistics were a match.
Tugiye gufata uriya mugabo skunk cyangwa Bergen tumutega agatego mbega tumere nk'abamurekuye mu rwego rwo kugira ngo tugeze kuri sebusha.
Shot at finding
Aya niyo mahirwe yonyine yadufashe kugera kuri Burrows.
Come on, while he's out on his little day pass.
Tumurikura se akica umuntu.
Risk.
Ni risk nyine no gufata risk nk'ibindi turaba tumuri hafi.
first sign of trouble.
tugiye kurekura sikanka tuze kumukurikirana hari bujye tumufata.
In the meantime,
Burrows is actually in town.
Barose yamaze kugera mu mujyi,
Trying to get in touch with his father.
araza kugerageza guhura na papa we. Duhere kuri papa we mbere na mbere, neza nkaho Barose agiye niho na FBI igiye.
Nothing exciting. Caught up with an old friend.
Yaje akurino.
Listen, my mother's coming.
Mama wanjye araza kuza mu gitondo, mubwire duhure.
She's already here.
Bivuze ngo yamaze kugera hano gucecetse.
she told me it was important.
Yari yambwiye ko ari ibintu by'ingenzi.
It's okay.
Bimeze sawa. Itafa yaje kureba mama we.
Hello, darling.
Ite darling. Ite mama.
You know, I was supposed to be meeting with the board.
Nakagumye kwa ndi mu nama na board.
Of having Pam clear your schedule.
Nabwiye Pam ngo iyo nama yimuri.
It's a bit dramatic.
Birakabije nawe ibyo bintu ariko.
New York.
New York yari imeze ite?
Did you think I wouldn't find out?
Wari ko nazabimenya.
To be honest, I didn't really.
Mbwisha ukuri ntabwo nabitekereje.
Problem, Hayden.
Hayden ufite ikihe kibazo?
When it comes to this woman,
Iyo bigeze kuri uyu mugore nta kintu utamukorera. Uriya mugore bita n'ubundi ngo ni Sarah Mills. Ngo nta kintu kimwe utamukorera.
do what?
Didn't
Icyo ukora ibyo.
like that.
Kuki uriya mukobwa umupfobya mama.
You know.
Ni inshuti yanjye kandi urabizi. Inshuti?
She's helping a fugitive.
Uriya mukobwa ari gufasha umuntu uhigwa n'amategeko.
Would you try to play the hero?
Ko wagerageza kwigira intwari kose,
It's one way for her.
bino bizarangira uriya mukobwa uburyo bumwe.
Then quickly, before she tries
Uriya mukobwa birangira afunzwe, rero reka kumwizirikaho bidatuma nawe ufunganwa nawe. Naramufashije byarangiye.
FBI found a gun in Washington Square.
FBI baje gusanga imbunda muri Washington Square Park.
Your gun.
Iyo mbunda ni yawe, ni ya mbunda yatije Burrows.
The one that you gave to David Burrows.
Imbunda yatije David Burrows. Nyuma yuko aje kurari wawe,
Implicates you in a...
iyo mbunda ikugaragaza nk'aho ari weho wakoze icyaha.
This is far from over.
Bino rero urumva ko bitararangira.
What did you do?
Wakoze iki mama?
Police report has been generated.
Raporo ya polisi nayihinduye.
Mills reached out looking for...
Abapolisi ndababwira ngo bandike ko Rachel Mills yaguhamagaye ashaka kumucumbikira.
You agreed to help an old...
Wemera gufasha inshuti yawe ya kera ariyo Rachel,
Absolutely no knowledge that she...
ariko udafite ubumenyi ko yaba ari kumwe n'umuntu uri guhigwa n'amategeko David Burrows.
that he was with her.
David Burrows bari kumwe.
Before they left,
Mbere yuko basohoka mu nzu yawe,
they stole your gun,
biba imbunda yawe,
and you haven't heard from them.
guhera icyo gihe nta makuru yabo ufite. Niyo raporo nabwiye polisi ngo bandike.
Guaranteeing that Rachel gets
Mu
arrested.
yandi magambo icyo gihe Rachel Mills baraza kumufunga, ibintu byose babimushyizeho iby'iriya mbunda. Umva,
Better than you.
ikiruta bafunga Rachel kurusha uko bafunga wewe. Mwana wa, niyo raporo polisi yanditse. Uyu ni umugore w'umunyamafaranga w'umukire. Abwira polisi raporo bari busohore, ikina ni ifaranga barajugunya. Nimba polisi ya leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika umunyamafaranga nk'uyu ababwira raporo bari bwandike, uhita umenya ko polisi yo muri Amerika itari ku murongo neza. Nicyo navugaga. Bashaka kwenda abapolisi burani bahageze. Baza hano.
True prohibition, this neighborhood was a hub for bootlegging. They built tunnels to
Kuno rero hari igihe cyaje kubakwa,
playing them as kids.
hari igihe haje kubakwa tano igenda ikagera neza mu rugo.
Way down the block to my dad's.
Neza iyi tano iragenda ikagera inyuma y'urugo rwa papa. Ndabona ari Capone, niko umukobwa yahise amubwira. Ari Capone niwe muntu wajya gucukura, bacukuraga tano zimukura muri gereza agasohoka gereza tano ndende, ahita agenda agwa muri kaburimbo ahita yigendera. Impamvu umukobwa amubwira ati ndabona mumeze nka Ari Capone. Abana se Ari Capone baba banamuzi. Impamvu mubwira ngo mbere yo kureba filime wabanje kumenya akariro ki wayisobanuye cyangwa wahubaguritse. Mbere yo kureba filime kuri website uri kureba neza ugasanga iyo website uri kureberaho yitwa agasobanuye films.com. Hakimumenya kuba VIP ukavuga ati ngiye ibintu byanjye mbisanga kwa nyirabyo ni kwa Ruki birindwi. Papa pana muri za mayibobo ngo ziba amafilime ngo zikagenda ngo zigakora ubuntu utamenya bw'amafuti. Urifata ukarebera filime kumbo, ubwo weho bikugira iki? Filime zireberwa ugasobanura films.com kwa ba nyirazo wishyuye 7 ku kwezi, 4 ku cyumweru, 7 ku kwezi. Bari mu nzu.
Hey, Sophie.
Auntie Sophie, mushiki wa papa we. Mushiki wa papa yarinjiye. David.
What are you doing here?
Urakora icyaha.
Are you okay?
Meze neza. Yego meze neza.
Remember Rachel?
Rachel amwibuka. Wakoze kudufasha. Mana yanjye.
I need to speak to my dad.
Ngiye kuvugana na papa. Ari he? Oya.
I just came back from the hospital looking for him.
Mvuye kwa muganga kumushakirayo. Kwa muganga. Hari ikibazo?
I'm sorry, David.
bari David
Father was diagnosed with colon cancer.
Paul yaje kurwara kanseri y'amara amezi 6 ashize.
Bad enough that he'd never miss chemo. I came over this morning.
Rero ntago ajya siba kujya muri chemo, ubwo ni chemotherapy.
Looked like it hadn't been slept in.
Mu gitondo rero nabyutse ndamubura ngira ngo wenda yagiye kwa muganga. Hashobora kuba ari icyamubayeho namubuze. Bishobora kuba bifite aho bihuriye na Matthew byamubayeho.
There's something you need to see.
Hari ikindi kintu ukwiye kureba.
You don't really think that boy in the photograph is his kid, do you?
Urakekura mwana twabonye mu ifoto niwe mwana wa David Burrows.
It would explain why Burrows.
Ariko basi aramutse aba yari umwana we bishobora kuba byadusobanura impamvu David Burrows ari gukora ibyo ari gukora n'ibintu by'ubusazi byose ari gukora. Ariyo mpamvu atigeze asohoka umupaka ngo agende, kandi kuko birumvikana abanyamategeko nabo batagiye kubyumva. Ati kuba David Burrows yaratorotse gereza ntahita asohoka umupaka ngo ashaka ukuntu ahunga igihugu aho batazamuhiga, ahubwo akaba akizenguruka mu gihugu akora ibintu by'ubusazi ava kuri uyu ajya kuri uyu. Byabisobanuye ko uriya mwana atekereza ko ari uwe. Ibyo nibyo kabisa birumvikana. Ariko tsubiza nimba uriya mwana wapfuye uriya murambo twabonye rero kuko hari umurambo basanze mu rugo rwa David Burrows, batekereza ko ari uwa wa mwana. Uriya murambo wari uri muri buriya buriri waba ari uwandi ntago mbizi.
But if I was curious,
ariko ngize amatsiko
I'd be looking for a boy around Matthew.
Byaba byiza umuntu atangiye gushaka umwana waburiwe irengero muri iyo minsi. Neza wenda kungana na kariya kana benda gusa. Umwana wari waraburiwe irengero nk'amezi 6 ashize muri iyo minsi. Ariyo mpamvu umuntu akwiye kujya muri National Center for Missing and Exploited Children agatangira kureba akanavugana na polisi mpuzamahanga umwana waburiwe irengero wenda agakungana n'uriya banasa muri kiriya gihe.
So when did you do all that?
Umgiye umutima uri kumbwira ko ibyo bintu wabikoze, ahubwo wabikoze ryari? Wamaze no guhamagara muri ibyo bigo bishinzwe gukurikirana abana baburiwe irengero n'ibiki? Wamaze kubikora wikwigira nkaho ari ibintu wakora? Paramuzi nabikoze ijoro ryahise namaze gutanga raporo.
I have my eye on the ball.
Bivuze ngo uyu mukobwa yamaze kubaririza ati mushaka umwana waba waraburiwe irengero, uko umwana ashobora kuba ari we bishe, bakaza bakamushyira mu cyumba cya David Burrows, bakabeshya ko umwana wa David Burrows wapfuye kugira ngo bibe umwana wa David Burrows bamutware.
I know what we're here to do.
Icyo gukora turakizi papa, ndabizi.
It's just
Have
you ever been chasing someone you thought might?
Ese papa wari wahiga umuntu ariko ukajya wiyumvamo ko umuntu ashobora kuba arengana? We twe dufata abantu ntago tubica, twe tubafata urukiko rukaba ari rwo rubaburanisha, twe turabapolisi. Bivuze ngo twe nta cyaha tuba dufite.
Charlie Dane.
Hari uwitwa Charlie Dane
robbed a laundromat and killed the owner.
Uwo mugabo yaraje yiba ahantu bamesera. Hari ahantu nyine bano bantu bo hanze bajya hari amashop usanga, ubwo magira ngo mbasobanure kuko mwebwe ari ukuntu batsanga mutaragenze mu bihugu byinshi kimbonero no kubiryaho. Ati hari ukuntu umugabo yaje yiba ahantu haba hari bino bimashini bimesa bagenda bakabishyiraho n'abaturage mukamwagiye mukishyura amafaranga mukamesa. Ati umugabo yinjiye ahantu bamesera arangije arahiba.
He was never anywhere near the place.
Ariko akana kaho hana atigeze ahagera.
Escapes, I catch him.
Aracika ndamufata.
But on the ride back,
ubwo nari ndi kumugarura mu moto ko uwo mugabo maze kumufata mufite muri Pandagari.
I don't know, you know, most guys
sinzi nimba bizi ariko abantu benshi
on and on pissed they got caught. Some of them they find it kind of amusing, but Charlie,
abandi bandi bafashe bakoze ibyaha hari bamwe babona bisekeje, hari ababa barakaye bavuga amagambo menshi atari ko uwo mugabo Charlie nari maze gufata.
Charlie was quiet.
Yaracecetse. Charlie yaracecetse.
Quiet in a way that just
yaracecetse mu buryo nanjye bwambujije amahoro. Mbega nk'umupolisi yafashe umuntu aramubwira ati nyamara ntago ari njyewe ibyo yari ahantu, atarangije araceceka mu buryo nanjye bwatangiye gutuma mbura amahoro. Hahandi nibaza ngo ubu sinaba ndi guhohotera umuntu. Yaratuje pe. Umve
15 years later,
imyaka 15 ishize afunze, ibimenyetso bya DNA byaje bivuga ngo wa mugabo twafunze tuvuga ngo yibye aranica, burya wa mugabo ararengana. Uri kumva ko n'abapolisi babuza amahoro, ariko uzi gufunga umuntu akamara imyaka 15 ari muri gereza, yamara imyaka 15 mugasanga wa muntu yararenganaga, cyangwa 2 cyangwa 3 mugasanga yararenganaga, umupolisi wagufunze nawe bimubuza amahoro.
I never knew. Max Williams.
ntabwo nzi ko Max Williams w'igitangaza nawe ujya wicuza. We ntabwo nicuza.
I did my job.
Njye nakoze akazi nagombaga gukora, ni ugufunga umuntu ukekwa, urukiko rugakora kandi kazi karwo.
To capture Burrows, so will you.
Rero nawe igihe cyo gufata David Burrows ukora akazi kawe, witangira gutekereza ngo ararengana umufunge.
Philip told us about Matthew, that you thought he was alive, so the boys are going.
Ibyo batubwiye Filipo ngo umwana murakeka ari muzima nibyo.
Well, did they find anything?
Yeah.
Ikintu bigeze abona yego.
Matthew was taken.
Ijoro Matayo
Called him to the hospital.
yicwa cyangwa se batubwira ngo yishwe, umugore wawe ciri bamuhamagaye kwa muganga. Yego baramuhamagaye mubwira ngo hari bisi impanuka yabaye. Iyo mpanuka rero ntayabaye. Umuntu wamuhamagaye iryo joro yarabeshye. Uwo muntu wamuhamagaye bazi uwo ari we.
The hospital administrator.
Umuyobozi w'ibitaro Ronald Drison.
That can't be right.
Ntabwo bishoboka. Ronald Drison ni nde?
Cheryl's husband.
Ni umugabo wa Cherry w'iyi minsi ugasana.
And your father went to go talk to him yesterday.
Ubwo papa yajyaga kumuvugisha ejo.
Okay.
Bino bintu ntabwo byumvikana.
Ronald's never had a speeding ticket. There's no way he's
Ronald nta kosa na rimwe agira, nta n'iryo mu muhanda.
Part of this?
Bakeka Nick Fisher bino yaba birimo.
Lenny Burrows.
Lenny Burrows.
FBI.
Iyi ni FBI.
With you.
Dukeneye kuvugana nawe mama we. Uwo bahiga arimo imbere.
Can I help you?
Nabafasha.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Agent Max Williams.
Agent Max Williams.
Greer.
Agent kuriya bamwereka ibyangombwa.
Lenny Burrows.
Dukeneye kuvugana na Lenny Burrows. Ntawe uri hano.
And you were?
His sister.
Uri nde ndi mushiki we.
Sophie, do you know when he'll be back?
Uzi igihe Lenny Burrows ari bugarukire? Lenny Burrows ngo ni papa wa David Burrows.
Mind if we come in?
Hari ikibazo twinjiye.
Come inside.
Tukinjira mu nzu.
We can come back with a search warrant.
Udashaka ko twinjira twaza kugarukana manda igipapuro cyo gusaka search warrant. Iyo search warrant rero bayizanye baraza ibintu bye bakabitera hejuru, baba byemerewe. Nimba ari igikombe cyane ndo bakayisuka hasi, bakajya bongera bakayiyora bakayisubizamo. Mbega icyo kinzuye baraza bakayikiniramo bakayigira uburimiro kuko baba bahawe icyangombwa cyo gusaka. N'amatora barayica bagasakamo. Iyo rero bakubwiye ngo uraduha ikaze twinjire cyangwa urashaka ko tujya kubanza gushaka igipapuro kitwemerera kugusaka, icyo rero nicyo gihe bazira bafite ubugome nabo. Urabazi bo muri Amerika.
That's not how you want to play.
Ndakeka ntabwo iyo mikino ushaka kuyikina. Uri kumva ariko muzehe ati ndakeka iyo mikino ntabwo ushaka kuyikina yo kureka tukajya gushaka igipapuro kitwemerera kugusaka. Baza baje kwihimura bafite ubwo mba ndi kugira ngo mbibasobanurire. Wowe ukunda kwemera ubwira polisi ngo yango genda gubanza ushaka icyangombwa cyo kunsaka. Ushobora guhura n'umupolisi mubi akaza aje guhimana nawe. Inzu yawe ntabwo hazongera kuyiraramo wambara nk'umwaka, no kugura ibikoresho bishya n'intebe barazica ngo bari gusaka. Yarabibonye oya shayo mikino ntabwo nayikina, ni mwinjire nabo barabizi. Niba bawe ati urashaka dukina umukino wo kuzana igipapuro cyo kugusaka, ugomba kwitwa ikaze bakinjira ntacyo bafite. Shangiye abapolisi n'abahaye karibu bose.
Because I don't know.
You're his sister in his house.
Umva uri mushiki wa Lenny ari hehe?
No.
Ko mu bantu ntago mazi.
Your nephew. Has David contacted you?
Yaba umwishywa wa David Burrows yamuhamagaye?
I haven't seen my nephew.
Ntago umwishywa wanjye mperuka kumubona kumba ari muri iyi nzu.
That's not what I asked you.
Ntago ari ibyo nkubajije.
Look, I really
Yaramajije nimba yamuhamagaye undi ati simeruka kumubona.
back, but why don't you just leave your number and I'll...
None se mwasize nimero zanyu nimba mushaka Lenny yagaruka tukabahamagara. We,
I think you're going.
urakeye kurigiye ko muri kwisanzura mu nzu.
It's not like you've got something to hide.
Nimba ntacyo ufite cyo guhisha se waretse tukaba twikatira mu nzu tureba ibyo ari byo. Kumbe abandi bari mu kabati. Uyaza hano. Ari byano abona witwa Liam Fisher. Ukari cyo bita ngo ni
You're gonna want to come in here.
Max, ngwino urebe hano hari dossier muze yarari gusoma yanditseho ngo Liam Fisher. Kandi hari umugizi nawe batubwiye witwa Nick Fisher.
The Burrows has come out of
Bisamo Detective Burrows yagarutse mu kazi.
No.
Detective Burrows ubwo ni Lenny Burrows papa wa David Burrows.
Why would he be looking into Nicky Fisher's...
Kuki ari kureba dossier y'umwana wa Nick Fisher witwaga Liam Fisher?
Just a hobby.
Wabona yikundira nyine kuba ari byo bintu abahugiyemo. Cyangwa
Lenny's trying to prove his son is innocent.
Rena akaba ashaka kugaragaza ko umwana warengana.
So what if he is?
Aramutse sabaye ari kugaragaza ko umwana warengana.
That a crime?
Hari ubwo byabigize icyaha.
That contact with David, you're damn right it is.
Nimba Lenny yavuganye n'umuhungu we David Burrows kandi urabizi ko bashobora kuba bavuganye.
And if you know he's been helping him,
Nimba ubizi ko musaza wawe Lenny Burrows yaba yafashije David Burrows,
makes you an accessory.
icyo gihe namwe bihita bagira afatanya cyaha. Bano bumva imbwa.
Okay, fine.
Sawa, reka mbabwire.
It's at Boston General.
Ari muri Boston General.
My brother has cancer.
umuvandimwe wanjye arwaye kanseri
A.M. this morning.
buri gitondo ajya muri kimo icyo utari bitubwiye kare
To be grilled by the FBI.
impamvu ntabibabwiye ni uko mbizi ko yanga ko FBI imwinjirira mu bintu
While he's sitting there getting poison dumped it.
umuntu yicariye yirwariye abapolisi namwe muza mwinjira mu bintu bye ari kuri nivo ya 4 mugende mumaze umuforomokazi witwa Holly arabahuza na Lenny Burrows.
Meanwhile, we're gonna have you wait down in our office.
Okay, nawe tuze gusanga kuri office dutegereje ngo iki
We asked you where your brother was.
twakubajeho umusaza wawe ari utinda kwatubwira
Instruction.
ibyo ni ukubangamira inzego ni ugutinza iperereza no kubangamira inzego bahita baguhamagara tugusange ku kazi bano bari mu kabati bahise bamupakira mu modoka baramutwara agomba kujya kubazwa impamvu inzego zimubaza agatinda kuvuga binjiye bamaza ngo Rena ari he abizi ko ari kwa muganga ngo arwaye kanseri ariko yababeshyaga kuko avuye kwa muganga kumushakiro yamubuze
She's gonna be alright.
araza kumera so akarakaka bagasanzwe ni kumwe polisi guhamagara igira ngo igukange iguhe gasupu
How do you plan to do that?
I don't know.
ibyo uripanga kubikora ute simbizi
I should do it alone.
nabikora njyenyine bisigaye wenyine yego
Okay.
okay
Okay.
okay
I'm gonna head to the hospital and find out why Ronald lied.
ngiye kujya kwa muganga nanjye niyo mpamvu Ronald yabeshye wirinde Ronald ni umugabo Ronald Drisson ni umugabo wa Cherry ni wasimbuye uyu mbega ku mugore yeah iyi filime yeah araza hano mu kabati k'iwabo hari ahantu babika imbunda arayifata
Adam, it's Eddie calling. Look, I got a prescription for your dad down.
umva hari imiti dushaka guha papa wawe uze kuza guca muri farumasi ya tuyishimire aca muri farumasi Siloam
Eddie, I got your call.
Adam nabonye telefone yawe
For my dad.
yapanye nk'umufitiye imiti uretse gato uyu ni Adam uyu nguyu niwe wacikishije David Burrows gereza bari muri Boston ni karitsiye y'iwabo Jacques ahita asohoka muri farumasi ahita anayikinga ahita ayikinga Adam kumbe wageze muri karitsiye y'iwabo bano n'abana bo muri karitsiye ku buryo David Burrows ageze muri karitsiye atabura umuntu umutiza farumasi ngo aganire n'umuntu we
Look, I was hoping they were.
we nabibonye muri Globe cya gitangazamakuru ngira ngo ni ukubeshya kuki wagarutse hano
Who took Matthew?
ndashaka kumenya nako mumbabarire namaze kumenya watwaye Matayo umwana wanjye wamushimuse
Nicky Fisher.
ni Nicky Fisher
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo
I'm not gonna put anything past the guy, but
uriya muntu sinshaka kumurengera ariko
it doesn't make
Nicky Fisher nzi ko atajya ashimuta abana
Involved.
nawe abirimo
To know where Nicky lives.
ndashaka kumenya aho Nicky atuye nyuma yaho
that's what I'm
Yeah.
afraid of.
ibyo nibyo mfitiye ubwoba nugerayo
He retired. He left Revere 5 years ago. No one knows where he is.
umva Nicky Fisher uwo mugezi wa nabi ameze nk'uwavuye mu kazi hashize imyaka 5 avuye muri Boston cyangwa se avuye muri Level
Last time anyone saw Nicky or any of his top guys was at his grandson's christening a few years back.
umuntu uheruka kubona Nicky Fisher icyo gihe yari yaje mu mubatizo w'umukobwa we yari yaje mu mubatizo w'umwana w'umukobwa we
A few years behind us.
She still lives here.
Yeah, she's a
umukobwa we niwe wenyine ugituye atuye yitwa Beach Parkway umukobwa wa Nicky Fisher uyu yatangiye gukeka ko uwo mugizi wa nabi bita Nicky Fisher ari washimuse umwana we none bamubwiye ko umukobwa wa Nicky Fisher nawe atuye ngo ahitwa hafi hano
no fucking way.
mane ntubitekereze kubera iki hoya
Nothing to do with Nicky's business.
umukobwa wa Nicky Fisher ntahuriye na business za papa we
Right, it isn't right.
uyu ni umuma muri aho umva
Everyone knows where Lena lives.
abantu bose bazi uwo mukobwa aho atuye
Stupid enough to-
ariko nta muntu w'ikigoryi watinyuka kujya kwinjira mu rugo rw'umukobwa wa Nicky Fisher
So I'm not the one who thought it was okay to go and kidnap her.
uburyo ngiye se bumva baza gushimuta umwana wanjye ngiye sinshimuta umwana wa Nicky Fisher sasa uyu musaza atangiye
Back, I need someone to trade, something that Nicky truly values.
umva nimba Nicky Fisher ari washimuse umwana wanjye Matayo urumva nanjye ngiye ngashimuta ikintu gifite agaciro kuri Nicky Fisher twagurana nkamuha icyo kintu nawe akama umwana wanjye ikintu gifite agaciro kuri uwo mugezi wa nabi ni umukobwa we sasa uyu nawe atangiye gupanga kujya gushimuta umwana w'ikihebe umwana w'ikihebe reka mbigufashemo
Let me just make a few
reka
phone.
mbanze ngira abantu bamwe mpamagara
I don't have time.
nta gihe mfite
One shot.
mpano mahirwe gusa tubanze duhamagara umuntu wadufasha
My way doesn't work.
uburyo bwanjye ni bwanga
way.
turagerageza uburyo bwawe tujye gushimuta umukobwa wa Nicky Fisher umukobwa w'ikihebe ntabwo bamushimuta iyo ni imikino ikorwa n'abasazi uranyizeye gusa uyu mugabo yabaye umusazi none arashaka umwana we nta mwana uruta undi abo w'ikihebe abo w'abantu basanzwe reka nkoresha landline FBI itadukurikira ari muri karitsiye yakuyemo muri Boston, niyo mpamvu ubona hagera bakamutiza.
You can find out about Liam Fisher.
Okay.
Nshakira amakuru ku witwa Liam Fisher, babonye muze ari kumwigaho Lenny Burrows.
Fisher and Lenny or David.
Shaka ahantu huriza amakuru witwa Liam Fisher, umuhuze n'umusaza bita ngo ni Lenny Burrows, ndetse nanone ubihuze na David Burrows urebe nimba hari ikintu kibahuje. Ubu bari kuvuga ngo ni Liam Fisher ni umwana wa Nick Fisher ikihebe cyashimuse ngo umwana ariko bari kutubwira kandi ubikore mwibanga. Sawa.
We've got a ticket
Skanka Muzari
New York.
Skanka turi kumukurikirana yavuye muri New York ari kwerekeza muri Boston.
15 minutes.
Copy that.
Buri nyuma y'inota 15 ajya guhamagara.
Lenny Burrows did not make it to his...
Lenny Burrows ntabwo yigeze aza kwa muganga uyu munsi.
They're looking for him.
Cheka ninde wajana mushaka? Auntie Sophia watubeshye ngari hano nawe yaje kwa mushakira kare.
King the Chopper.
Skunk's in Boston.
Skunk ari muri Boston, papa ni muri yabyaye agakuri.
Right here.
Not that we know.
Yeah.
I'm having Chopper look into Liam Fisher.
Chopra nga dushakira amakuru yari Liam Fisher. Nimba harahahuriye na Lenny Burrows tumenye impamvu yari afite amadosiye.
Get that. Thanks.
Murakoze yaje guhamagara. Hari telefone zidakururwa nk'izi ngizi yabigoye.
CI.
Mvuganye na
Let me
CI.
find out a little bit more.
Araza kunshakira amakuru ageze yanasanga David Burrows yagiye kare. Agiye gushimuta umwana w'ikihebe. Dore nguyu. Agiye gushimuta umwana w'ikihebe. Urebe filime witonze. Yaje hakurino. Cyewe nimba bivugwa ko aricyo cyanshimutiye umwana, nanjye ndashimuta umwana wacyo. Kiraso yiturwa indi akebo nigeramo. Nono nanjye icyo cyebe cyumva uko bimereye bashe.
Got a Groton pharmacy.
Kwe muri Griton Pharmacy.
Oh, that must be a mistake.
Nta kintu natumye.
Miss Fisher? Lena Fisher?
Handitseho ngo Lena Fisher ariko nkeneye umuntu unsinyira. Gikingureta amwinjirana. Umwana w'ikibe dore nguyu umukobwa cyamufatira imbunda. Papa wanjye uramuzi? Ndamuzi yanshimutiye umwana. Ariko urumva ko abakobwa babyeyi namwe mutangire mwubaka izina rikomeye. Umukobwa baramufashe bakimutunga imbunda yisabwira umugabo ngo papa wanjye uzuwari we. Ni nko kuvuga ati papa wanjye uzuwari mu gihe mwebwe niyo tubafashe mutinya kuvuga ba papa wanyu kuko ari abasinzi. Babyeyi mwakubatse izina koko. Umukobwa wanjye iyo bamufashe ahita avuga ati papa wanjye uzuwari we bakahita biruka ati icyakiye bitaruke. Kizanabona hari ibishushanyo biri hano. Umuhungu wawe ari hehe?
His nanny and he's gonna be home.
Ari kumwe n'umukozi bagiye muri park.
I want my son.
Nanjye ndashaka umuhungu wanjye.
So you're gonna tell your father
Urabwira papa wawe
David Burrows wants
ko David Burrows ashaka kumuvugisha. Papa wanjye arakwica. Arabanza Melissa kosha mu yafone amagaraso.
Dad, it's me.
Baba ni njyewe.
David Burrows is here.
David Burrows ari hano.
He's got a gun.
Afite n'imbunda. Kira umukobwa w'ikibi nawe ari ikibi. Uzika adatinya n'imbunda kira papa.
to me very carefully.
Ndagira ngo unyumve neza witonze cyane. David umva ijwi ry'ikihebe.
Put the gun down
Shira imbunda hasi.
and you walk out alive.
Usohoke muri iyo nzu hari amahirwe ko wagera mu rugo uri muzima.
Mine.
Shaka umwana wanjye.
Her life. For my son.
Ndaguha ubuzima bw'umukobwa wawe umuhungu wanjye.
You think I got to where I am by letting people black
Ese urakeka ngeze kuri uru rwego ngezeho nemerera abantu uko banyinjirira uko biboneye?
me?
Urwego ngezeho
What's going on in my own backyard?
ni ukuvuga ngo urwego ndiho rw'akazi nkora mba ngomba kuba nzi ikintu cyose kibera mu mbuga no mu ngo zanjye zose. Bivuze ngo uyu musore icebe ni nko kumubwira ngo nta muntu wakwinjira mu rugo rwanjye ngo simbimenye ko yahageze.
Dance, David.
Amahirwe yanyu mashyira imbunda hasi. Baramwinjirana. Skanka yahageze. Niba ninde dufite hano? Baramwinjirana. Baramuzenguruka. Iyo mbunda uraturasa turi batatu se?
If I have to.
Nibiba ngombwa. Inyuma ye kubita amashanyarazi. Bamukubise akamashanyarazi. Madaki niki? Ntabwo ibitutsi njya mbisobanura. Filime zidasobanuye rero ubusanga ibitutsi bikirimo bigifite umwimerere. Ariko kubera kwimakaza umuco. Hayden bimeze bite?
Everything okay?
Byose bimeze sawa?
I'm not sure what that word even means anymore.
Sinzi iryo jambo ngo ibintu bimeze neza icyo rinasobanuye ubu.
So I can call you back?
Nze guhamagara nyuma.
Can't wait. Look,
Ntabwo nategereza.
that I gave David.
Ya mbunda nahaye David
feds.
yayitaye muri New York. FBI barayikurura bamenya ko ari njye yimutije.
What are you gonna do?
None ugiye gukora iki?
It's out of my hand.
Ntabwo biri mu biganza byanjye.
Mother has filed a
Mama wanjye yagiye kuri polisi
said the gun was stolen
avuga ko iyo mbunda mwayinyibye
apartment without my
mu
knowledge.
gihe David yaje kurara mu rugo rwanjye nabizi.
Well, then when I was with David, but they...
Kandi ubwo mama yabwiye ko nari kumwe na David.
They've asked me
Yego.
to send in the security footage from the...
Ndetse polisi yansabye kuboherereza amashusho yafashwe na kamera iwanjye.
You can't do that.
Ntabwo ibyo wabikora ndabizi.
Lucky for you,
Uri umunyamahirwe.
the system's had some technical issues.
Amashusho ya kamera yanjye yagize ikibazo cya tekinike.
Everything has
Bisa
been
nkaho ibintu byose
deleted.
byasibamye. Urabona ukuntu abisiba ariko ubwo niko ari bubwire polisi ngo amashusho yarasiba.
Do happen.
Ibibazo tekinike bijya bibaho kabisa amashusho agasibama. Ubwo niwe yasibye. Ndaguhamagara nyuma polisi ni ukumusaba amashusho ngo duha amashusho yafashwe na kamera iwawe akahita yasiba kandi ibyo bintu polisi arabwira ngo nta kabazo tekinike kabayemo amashusho ari isiba. Ndaguhamagara nyuma. Kigaragara n'umusore akunda n'umukobwa bigeze gukundanaho ubu ni inshuti aramwitangira ibintu byose ku buryo yemera no gukora ibyo leta itemera kugira ngo amufashe.
Because I told them that I'd follow up, so... Oh my God.
Mana yanjye ricu.
What are you doing here?
Kuri cyane. Yeah.
Sorry to put you through this.
Coming here wasn't smart, Rachel.
Kuza hano ntabwo byari iby'ubwenge. Nta mahitamo nari mfite.
Needed to talk to you, actually.
Nari nkeneye kuvugana nawe.
I know Lenny came to see you yesterday.
Ndabizi ejo hahise muzehere ntiyaje kukureba.
Well, he didn't talk to
Ntabwo yavuganye nawe, yavuganye nanjye.
This is about his ridiculous conspiracy.
Niba ari ibyerekeranye n'ubugoryi bwo by'akagambane by'ibintu by'ubugambanyi butabaho.
Bus accident.
No kuvuga ngo nta mpanuka ya bisi yabayeho, kwaba ari ukwangiza igihe. Ntabwo ariko mbikeka.
Missing. No one's seen him since he spoke to you.
Reni yabuze muzehe kuva mwavugana ku munsi w'ejo. Nta muntu uzari. Ubizi gute?
She told me right before she was arrested by the FBI.
What?
Sofia yabimbwiye mbere yuko afungwa na FBI. Sofia ni anti nyine wa David Burrows mukecuru wawe ndubonye batwara.
That's it, I'm calling the police.
Guhamagara polisi. Yihamagare.
He's lying, Cheryl.
Arabeshya Cherry.
We'll confirm there was no bus accident.
Twahamagaye muri MTA badukonfirimira ko nta mpanuka ya bisi yigeze ba MTA ubwo ngubwo nushaka nimba turi byite ngo ni muri traffic nimba ari polisi ishinzwe ibyo mu muhanda n'impanuka uko bishaka. Ronald.
Need to leave now before we all.
Ufite kuvanuka ukagenda cyangwa se twese tugafungwa.
Oh my God.
Mana yanjye.
She's right.
Uyu mushiki wanjye aravuga ukuri cyangwa se umuvandimwe wanjye urabeshya.
It's not what you think.
Siko bitekereza siko biri.
Explain it to me.
Ibinsobanurire.
Look, I had a crush on you.
Urabizi kuva kera ngiye naragukundaga nari ngufitiye akantu kaga crush. Natumwe abakobwa b'i Kigali bose bafitiye roki.
I know how childish that sounds, but it is.
Ndabizi ushobora kumva bivugitse nk'ubwana ariko niko kuri.
To know each other more.
Uko ngiye nawe twagendaga tumenyana.
Maybe you could have feelings for me.
Numvaga ko rimwe nanjye uzankunda. Ririya joro rero.
Bold, I threw caution to the wind.
Ririya joro naraguhamagaye.
I told you that there was a.
Ndakubeshya ngo hari impanuka ya bisi yabaye. Kubera ko nagira ngo uze kwa muganga nkubone.
I had no idea what was going to happen that night.
Ntabwo nari nzi biri buze kubira iryo joro pe. Rya joro umwana we bamwica. Iki kigabo cyari cyamuhamagaye kimweshya ko habaye impanuka.
Kept this from me.
Waragize ukabimisha. Yego.
Because I knew if I told you the truth.
Uko numva ko ningubwiza ukuri.
You're looking at me right now.
Uzandeba nabi nk'uko uri kundeba muri kano kanya. We winyegera. Uyu ni umugabo wamuteye n'inda. Umugore yitaca. Yeah.
What do you think you're doing?
Urakeka murakora ibiki bamuziritse bateraho n'ishashi.
Look like.
Urabona ari ibiki?
Not.
Please.
Bagiye kumwica. Ufite kuvugana na Nick Fisher.
We're way past all.
Urwo rwego twararurenze. Nick Fisher yavuze ngo tukwice.
Me that you ain't. So this is like
Mbega bino.
Two birds.
Bimeze nko kwica inyoni imwe na kinyoni ebyiri n'ibuye rimwe. Ndabinginze.
I said not.
We ntago mwamwicira mu gikoni cyanjye mutacyanduza. Turahagusukura nyuma amaze asutura ya koropa. Abagore bakunda ibikoni byabo. Shyira imbunda hasi.
Now.
Adamu yarinjiye.
Said put it down.
Shyira imbunda hasi.
Walk away.
We hindukira usubira aho uvuye.
Can't do that.
Ntago nabikora. Wiki?
Why is that?
Kubera iki?
There's been a change of plans.
Imipango yahindutse baraziranye. Yarumirwa. Barakorana.
Wants to talk to him.
Nick Fisher arashaka kumuvugisha. Nick Fisher bavugana gute na Adamu?
Nobody told me.
Nta muntu wari wabimenyesheje ariko.
On you now.
Kandi ubu mbikubwiye. Nick Fisher yemeye kuvugana nawe. Wese amenya ko Adamu nawe ashobora kuba akorana na cya kibe nubwo yari umupolisi nawe ashobora kuba akorana n'ikibe. Sawa, bano barakorana baraziranye. Adamu watorokeje David Burrows gereza nawe akorana na bano bagabo bakorera Nick Fisher baraziranye. Ko byibura ramutabaye ariko nyine amakuru turamenya no akorana Nick Fisher barivuganira direct. Vuze ngo ni wa mupolisi unakorana n'ikibe bari umugamba.
Sorry, David.
Mbabarire David yarumiwe. Korana n'ikibe cyancimutiye umwana. Yeah.
For whatever it's worth, I believe him.
Icyaba cyose namwizeye mbwiye.
His fault.
Ibyabaye ryasho nagara amakosa y'umugabo wawe.
I know.
Ndabizi. We muhamagaye ashaka kumwirebera.
My fault.
Icyaba cyose n'amakosa yanjye. Uravuga iki?
Remember how hard it was for me and David to get pregnant?
Uribuka uburyo byangoye njye na David kugira ngo David antere inda. Kubyara byari byaranze.
Years of fertility
nyuma y'imyaka narashakanye na David tutabyara nifuza ubugumba
was broken.
numvaga umubano wanjye nawe waranze pe byatumye mbura ibyiringiro
Started
ntangira
thinking about using a donor.
gutekereza kuba najya kwiteresha intanga
We came to anything because we got pregnant with Matthew.
nibwo rero nyuma twaje gusama inda ya Matayo ndishima
I thought, great, now we can get back to normal.
ubuzima busubira uko bwari bumeze
There was distance between us.
bihita bimera nk'aho hajemo distance hagati yanjye n'umugabo wanjye. Bino bintu bijya bibaho, umugore iyo amaze kubyarira umugabo babana mu rugo nyuma y'imyaka nk'ibiri itatu agatangira kumva nyine rwa rukundo rwari ruhari hameze nk'aho hajemo ikintu kibatandukanye cy'umwanya hagati yabo.
At first we tried to ignore it.
Twabanje kubyirengagiza hanyuma
We just started living with it
dutangira kubana nabyo,
rather than
dutangira kubana tumeze nk'aho turi abantu barera umwana
husband and wife.
kurusha uko turi umugabo n'umugore. Niko ingo nyinshi zubatse na n'uyu munsi. Ati igihe cyarageze njye na David Burrows dutangira kubaho turera umwana tumeze nk'abantu barera n'umwana kurusha uko tubana nk'umugabo n'umugore. Umugabo n'umugore ubundi baba ari abantu bakundana cyane nka kumwe abasheri baba bameze, ariko iyo mumaze kugera mu rugo ngo nka nyuma y'imyaka 2-3 ngo mutangira kuba abantu mufatanije kurera abana kurusha uko ari umugabo n'umugore, nk'abantu bafite inshingano gusa nta kintu nyine kibatsi iki gihari.
Means that what happened to Matthew was your fault.
None se ibyo bisobanuye ko ibyabaye kuri Matayo ari amakosa yawe nyine? icyajoro bampamagaraga ngo impanuka ya bisi yabaye,
Ronald told me that
Ronald yarambwiye ngo
routed.
impanuka ya bisi yabaye, ariko iyo bisi ntabwo abarwayi bayo bakije muri ibi bitaro ngo tubavure.
He asked me to stay for a couple.
Arambwira ataho kugira ngo uhite usubira mu rugo iwawe kuryama waje tukajya gusangira agakawa, kandi abizi ko nubatse mfite umugabo. Hanyuma n'uyu basigaye babana ndangije ndamwemerera.
I knew that he liked me.
Nari mbizi ko ankunda,
That's why I stayed, you
niyo
know.
mpamvu nanjye nahagumye ngo dusangire agakawa kandi mfite umugabo mu rugo nsize n'umwana baryamye.
It was nice to feel wanted again.
Numvaga ari byiza kongera kumva nshatswe. Niko abagore bose bo ku isi bameze. Ni ngo buriya ati numvaga ari byiza kongera kumva nshatswe. Mbega umugore asize mu rugo umugabo aryamye n'umwana, ariko ahuye n'agasore kamukunda ngo kuko kantumiye ngo tujye gusangira, ngo nyine ngo wumva ari byiza kongera kubona hari umusore uri kugutereta gutera imitoma, ukumva nawe uri gushaka umeze nka cyagiye kera ukiri agakobwa ucaho abasore bakagutereta. Abagore hafi ya bose bubatse ibyo bintu ngo bajya babigira we, ku buryo we n'agasore kakamubwira utugambo twiza ngahita yumva yongeye kuba gakumi, yongeye yumva ashatse guteretwa nawe yabaye umwana kumva arishimye. Ari naho bahera nyine baciye umugabo babo. Uyu ari kubyicuza ati nanjye numvaga ari byiza kongera kumva hari umuntu nshaka kuntereta, kuko mu rugo twabanaga numvaga ari nk'umuntu mbega dufatanije inshingano zo kurera gusa.
Anything happened between you two?
Hari icyabaye hagati yawe na Ronald Soya?
It's just a harmless coffee.
Twanyweye agakawa gusa tu, nta kindi twakoze, wenda ngo naciye umugabo wanjye inyuma.
Was it? Because if I'd have gone home that night,
kuko ririya joro iyo ntaza gusangira n'uriya musore Ronald ikawa, ahubwo nkahita nisubirira mu rugo kuryama, byibura umwicanyi ari kuza aje kwica umwana wanjye mu rugo akahansanga, cyangwa se waje gushimuta umwana wanjye nanjye akahansanga, icyo gihe urumva ko ntabwo rwari kuba ari urugo rurimo umugabo gusa, byari kuba ari ibintu bisobanutse.
I could have stopped David.
Byibura nimba ari na David wishe umwana wacu nari kumubuza nkamukangura, kuko bakeka ko David wishe umwana we ngasinziriye. Nimba ari na David wishe umwana wanjye nari kumukangura, mbega ari gukangura David asinziriye ntiyica umwana, ariko yari ari kuri date n'agasore basangira ikawa. Ibyo bintu nibyo yicuza, kuko urukiko rwanzuye kuri ya mugabo David Burrows ashobora kuba ari ba bantu babyuka nijoro basinziriye, akaba yafataga ikibando agakubita umuntu ariko asinziriye, mbega nta mutima nama afite muri ako kanya, ari ibitotsi b'abantu basinzira bagenda cyangwa bagakora ibintu bagenda. Ati rero iyo mba ndi mu nzu nari gukangura umugabo wanjye ntiyica umwana wanjye.
My little boy.
None
Because I was having coffee.
none umwana wanjye w'umuhungu naramubuze kubera ko ngo nari nagiye gusangira n'agahungu ko mu gasozi ikawa. Mwirirwa mu tugeto mu turoci muryamanye n'amayibobo, abana banyu bakozi bari kubagaburira ibintu bibi, rimwe na rimwe muzataha musanga abakozi banabishe, ngo mwari mwagiye gusangira n'udusore no kuryamana natwo mu maroci.
Another man. And
Nari ndi kumwe n'undi mugabo.
I have lived with that guilt every.
Icyo cyaha nabanye nacyo ubuzima bwanjye bwose, mvuga n'umwana wanjye yapfuye kubera njye. Nari ndi gusangira ikawa n'agasore. Ntabwo ari ngombwa rero ngo ubitekereze gutya,
you killed that night.
kubera ko Matayo rya joro ntabwo bamwishe,
He's alive.
aracyari muzima umwana wawe.
Just look at the picture.
Reba ino foto.
He's right there.
dore nguwo yaramumweretse ifoto yikuye
Friend posted it a few weeks ago.
inshuti yanjye yayipostinze ku mbuga mu byumweru bike bishize
The birthmark,
abona cya kibibi
it's in the exact same spot.
neza neza kiriya kibi kiri nk'aho umwana wanjye cyari kiri.
How's that possible?
bishoboka bite?
Are those the files I asked for?
Everything the BPD had on Liam Fisher. Speaking of the Fishers, Skunks
tukigerekeranye ku byerekeranye na Fisher,
Fisher.
ikipe yakurikiye Skunk
Right now.
bavuze ko ari hanze y'urugo rwa Rena,
What's his daughter?
umukobwa wa boss
That's not
Skunk ari.
Burrows.
You can handle Aunt Sophie alone.
Auntie Sophia wamugandeza wenyine.
My best.
ndagerageza. Auntie Sophia ngo
My partner in a wild goose chase. You had to.
kubera iki njyewe n'umwunganizi wanjye watwohereje ku bitaro kuzerera no kubungera uzi neza ko umusaza watari hari.
I was scared.
nari mfite ubwoba,
Just wanted you out of the house.
ndashaka ko munsohokera mu nzu.
Come from a cop
urabeshya
family.
uva muri famiye y'abapolisi.
You don't strike me as somebody who scares in the.
ntago uri umwe mu bantu batinya polisi n'inzego, kandi nawe uva muri polisi mu muryango w'abapolisi.
What has you so frightened then?
niki cyaguteye ubwoba?
Is it David?
ese ni David?
Did he wrap your brother up in this?
ese David yaje ashimuta papa we
Lie
aramutwara?
about him being sick. I talked to the nurse. How long does he have, Sophie?
ndabizi ko Reni arwaye, amaze igihe kingana icyo arwaye.
This the way you want him to spend?
ese uragira ngo igihe asigaranye yirwariye kanseri musaza wa kimara abayeho nabi yafunzwe n'umwana yibyariye David? oya,
Look, we know that David thinks his son is.
turabizi ko David atekereza ko umwana we akiri muzima.
We're the only ones who can bring.
nimba ari byo rero nitwe dushobora gufasha David umwana we kugira ngo atahe mu rugo. dufashe.
Talk to me. Tell me where Jish and Lenny are.
David na Reni barihe? papa n'umwana
Understand?
mwe ntago mwabyumva.
No.
ntago mbizi,
That's why I'm so scared.
niyo mpamvu nari mfite ubwoba.
Something terrible has happened.
hari ikintu kibi cyane cyabaye.
I think they took Lenny.
ndakeka Reni bamushimuse. indi
Took him.
ninde wamushimuse?
The same person who took Matthew.
umuntu washimuse akana kacu Matayo.
You're not gonna believe this.
ntabwo wakwizera bino.
Aunt Sophie.
Sophia aratekereza ko
Nick Fisher took her brother and get this.
Nick Fisher yaba yashimuse Reni Burrows,
He took Matthew Burrows.
ndetse akaba ari nawe washimuse Matayo Burrows. kakana
As crazy as you might think, back in
bino bintu ntabwo ari ubusazi nk'uko ubitekereza, ariko mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2016 umwana wa kiriya cyebe Nick Fisher bamwitaga Liam Fisher
officer was.
yafunzwe n'abapolisi babiri.
Lenny Burrows.
abapolisi ni Reni Burrows
Philip McKenzie.
na Philip McKenzie Warden.
Months into his sentence, Liam's killed by
hashize amezi 3 bafunze umwana wa kiriya cyebe Liam Fisher,
mate.
So you think
indi mfungwa muri gereza yaramwishe.
Blames Lenny for his
mu
son's.
yandi magambo turatekereza ko Nick Fisher ashobora kuba ari kwihorera. hano hantu niho filime zingiye, niyo mpamvu ngomba gufata pause. twahoraga twibaza ngo icyo cyebe bita Nick Fisher kubera iki gishobora kuza gushimuta umwana wa David Burrows. kubera iki batubwiye ngo tugende ngo tubaze ngo papa wa David Burrows ibijyanye n'ibura ry'umwana we, cyangwa se ahuriye n'icyebe bita ngo ni Nick Fisher. icyo cyebe bita Nick Fisher gifite umwana w'umuhungu. uwo mwana w'umuhungu mu mwaka wa 2016 uwo mwana w'umuhungu ngo yafunzwe, yatawe muri yombi n'abapolisi babiri, barimo wa mupolisi wa Deni twabonye wacikije David Burrows muri gereza afatanije n'umwunganizi we bakoranaga icyo gihe ari we Reni Burrows, akaba papa wa David Burrows. ubwo ni sogokuru w'uwo mwana icyebe cyashimuse. uwo mwana w'icyebe bamaze kumufunga ngo yageze muri gereza yicirwayo n'indi mfungwa. ibyo rero byarakaje ikihebe kiravuga ati abapolisi babiri bafungiye umwana wanjye bikarangira yiciwe muri gereza, akaba ariyo mpamvu batekereza ko icyo cyebe nacyo gishobora kuba cyashimuse nde Matthew, cyangwa se cyarashimuse Matayo, kakana ko muri uriya muryango n'ubundi wabo bapolisi.
you're right?
uravuga ukuri.
Let's kill Lenny Burrows back then and be done with it. Why go after him now?
urebe
Follow team.
ikipe yakurikiye Skunk iramagaye.
Some Burrows.
Burrows turi kumubona
Not without a
Mufata.
fight in a residential neighborhood.
ari mu gace karimo abaturage ntabwo twahamurasira.
Both armed.
Skunk ari kumwe n'abagabo babiri,
With them.
Adam McKenzie
They're getting into his truck.
bajyanye mu modoka na David Burrows.
You follow him.
mubakurikire barabonye basohoka mu nzu. Debe filime
Coffee any good here?
yaje kurira ikawa hano imeze neza se.
What's going on?
yaje kumureba bimeze bite.
I've been going through social media photos from 6'5".
aya ni amafoto nabonye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga,
Can't find any to show who he was with, but look at
ariko uyu mwana nubwo twamubonye muri park ntabwo tuzi ngo yari ari kumwe nande. Eka kana bafotoye kari muri park ariko ntabwo bazi ngo ninde muntu wari wagasohokanye muri park. bamenye umuntu wari sohokanye kari akana Matayo, bahita bamenya ngo uwo muntu ninde washimuse umwana.
that day.
hari abantu bari bakodesheje iyi park abana basohokeramo umunsi wose, hamwe haba ibyicungo.
so I'm sure there was a corporate photographer that day.
ndakeka umunsi hari umufotogarafe wari wishyuye wa nyawe
Do you think he...
ufite ayo mafoto yose. ese uwo mufotogarafe ubwo ntiyama amafotora? urebe uriya mwana ubundi babonye ifoto yari muri paka, wari we wa mwana turi guhiga, ni dore wamusohokanye muri paka. Ibiki Hayden aracyari gufasha wa mukobwa.
Who knows what you'll find?
Nakomeza gukurikirana uno mukobwa agakora iperereza, icyo ari buze kuvumbura urakizi.
We have to make sure she doesn't get any further.
Tugomba gukora uko dushoboye uwo mukobwa ntakomeze gukora iperereza ataza kuvumbura byinshi.
I understand.
Ndabyumva.
Hayden can never know the truth.
Hayden kandi nawe ntabwo agomba kumenya ukuri. Genda ita kuri Lecomirizi bagomba kumwica. Itegeko ritanzwe na mama wa Hayden. Fande ya Jano. Special Agent D'Souza. Spain. Banyita Gertruda. Cara hasi. Fande wa polisi ahamagawe na wa mugore.
You're a fucking rat.
Uri umugambanyi. Arabwira Adam ntabwo byoroshye.
Didn't you know the whole time?
Ibi byose wari ubizi iki gihe cyose. Ibiki?
Nicky took my son.
Ko Nicky Fisher yashimuswe umwana wanjye.
In Briggs, believing that he was dead.
Fungiye muri gereza muri Briggs, ubizi ko umwana wanjye yashimuswe na Nicky Fisher mukorana.
I didn't have a choice.
Nta mahitamo nari mfite.
It's really good that you two are working through your issue.
Cyane byiza ko mwembi muri kuganira ku bibazo byanyu.
You know. Shut up.
Mugakemura ibibazo byanyu mbere ko tumwica. Bagiye kuvugana na Nicky Fisher gusa.
He's a real conversation.
Umva Nicky Fisher ntabwo ari umuntu uzi kuganira cyane. Birarangira n'ubundi uyu musore yishwe. Yagomba kwicwa David Burrows. Abashinzwe umutekano bari mu nzira baza. Bari kwerekera Beachmont.
Oh shit. There's a private airstrip near Winter.
Beachmont hari ikibuga cy'indege gitoya cyane. Bagiye kumushyira mu ndege bamutwara.
The airfield in Brown.
Bahamagare ku kibuga ku munara.
Yeah, the place is too small for.
Faniya twatubuga tw'indege dutonya tutagira iminara cyangwa se abakorera. Twihute cyane. David Burrows batwaye mu modoka, bashobora kuba bagiye kumwinjiza mu kibuga cy'indege. Mubacunge cyane tubataye ku kibuga cy'indege. Nick Burrows bagiye ko David Burrows bashobora kuba bagiye kumwinjiza mu kibuga cy'indege. Indege ya Nick Fisher iraza kubiri hane dutware. Na private jet. Aza kurana batware. Batarajya kureba kubitana na polisi. Bimeze bite? Chopra Simons. Modoka ya kabiri muyikurikirane bimeze bite? Ndege nishe kubatwara. Ibe filime witonze. Polisi byivanzemo. Hakurikiriye. Ndege yamanutse tayari. Zimwe nziza. Urayibona ariko? Yeah. Ndege yamanutse. Katururi. Yeah. Umva mudushyire muri position we. Barakurikira. Ndege iraparika. Ushinzwe umutekano baje. Munyegerezeyo we. Yakureye imbunda. Sasu. Polisi kazi. Yeah. Bana parikano. Masasa atangira kuvuga. Hey.
I gotta get on that plane.
Ngiye kwinjira mu ndege njye kubonana na Nicky Fisher.
Take him down.
Mumushyire hasi. Yeah.
I'm not shooting a... What's up to them?
Yeah.
The stairs are down. We gotta go.
Wese kariye zamanutse tugire bataragira.
Do it, run!
Irukanka uriya cawo yagomba kugenda uko agomba kubona umwana we. Jana Adam. Iyi ni FBI bahagarare we. Muzehe baramumena. Muzehe baramumena. Skank. Umukobwa nawe amushyiramo. Bana indege barayurira. Uyarebye abona nkurikira abajura. Mfashe papa wanjye uryamye hasi. Wakora iki? Yabuze amahitamo. Abizi kabe ndetse. Tujye gufasha papa. Papa. Papa garutse kureba se. Yeah.
I have an agent down.
Mfite umu agent hasi ababwira ikibuga cy'indege bariho mukire batari bagira.
Hang on, Pop. I'm right here, okay?
Yeah. Indege isi mutwara. David Burrows baramutwaye. Ibi filime.
Stay with me. They're on the way.
Yeah.
I need EMTs at runway 14.
Arabarangira aho bahagaze. Ze hararashwe. Bimeze bite? Bebe. Hakurino. Key West bahita muri Florida. Niho turi. Yeah. Bite David
Fisher.
Ni Nicky Fisher muvugana rwa rwebe twajyaga twumva ari narwo bavuga ko rwamushimutiye umwana. Hasigaye episode 3 no season tukayisoza ku mugaragaro. Tukahita dutangira indi byihuse cyane season zamenetse. Nababwiye ngo twageze muri sama kandi sama si yaba sama. Tugomba guhita dutangira kuri ama filime ku bwinshi. Gura abonema yawe ushaka kugure n'iyo mwaka.